Hey guys, it's your girl Christina. Oh my gosh, I look a mess. I just woke up, but today I'll be showing you one of the most favorite things that I have. So this is my planner. I got it from Debenhams yesterday, and I already have a lot of writing. So on the first page, this is what it has like stickers. I've already used some stickers, and then a ruler that you can take off like this. So this ruler has like these stuff on it, so and then after that you can just put it back on here. So it's a really like flexible ruler. So I'm gonna put that right back. And guys, it's Sunday right now. I don't know, those of you that are watching me, good morning, good night. I don't know like what time you're in right now, because I'm in morning, as you can see by my window. There we go. So and then it has a lot of stickers. I'll read out some of the stickers. So there's urgent, to do, today, important, fabulous, inspiration, yes, be you, you got this, yay, don't forget. There's a star. Happy days, to do, important, love this, don't forget, star, fabulous, exciting, love this, amazing, hashtag love and star, notes, today, tomorrow, don't forget to have fun, and living the dream. So if you guys can't see it properly, make sure you guys see it. So the next thing I've got is where it says, okay, notes. I don't write. Wait, is this notes? Oh yeah, this is notes. So this is my notes. I've only wrote some things. That's all I wrote in there. Then plans. I have a lot of plans. So far I wrote one for 1 week this week. So this week I'm on Monday. Superstar in school. So basically you go with the PE teacher, the gym teacher, and just have fun, play hide and seek, just a lot of stuff. Hymn practice Tuesday. Guys, please. Excuse me. So, and then hymn practice is on Tuesday. That's when you like sing songs in school. And then Wednesday it's a trip to the cinema with my class, and it's also choir. Thursday PE. Friday gymnastics with our teacher, Miss Aplead. Then Saturday a trip to White Rose. I'll go to a friend's house. And then Sunday is church practice, Christmas play. So I'm doing a Christmas play, and so yeah. And then that's all I wrote. Let me show you guys it. And I put a sticker right there. I put a sticker on the other page. It was a lot part. It looks just like that, except those. And then ideas. This is, I also put a little heart here too. So basically, we're gonna have like a Christmas disco. Like it's basically before we break up for Christmas, we're gonna have like a party with our own individual classes, and then at the end it's gonna be key stage 1 and then key stage 2, having like a party. There's gonna be loads of stuff, dancing, a DJ, drinks, party games and everything. But the fun thing is that it's gonna be like after school, and it's gonna be like they're gonna turn all the lights up, and it's gonna be like party lights. So Christmas disco outfit, I'm gonna wear a jumpsuit because me and my friends are matching the Christmas colors from River Island, and that is green. I don't have that yet, but the shoes, which are heels, and they're white from River Island, I already got those. And hair accessories, a bow and a hair tie. So I'm gonna put hair tie here and then a bow here. So the bow is made by one of our teachers, Miss Bray. My other four friends, they got one. So because our teacher teacher gonna make it all like at once. So me and my other friend are getting ours tomorrow. And then the hair tie is from Claire's. And then so Christmas, so it's like a play that we're doing in church, and also that I'm gonna be Mary. This boy is gonna be Joseph. His name's Blair. Angel Gabriel was one of my friends called Priscilla. She's a girl, but yeah, because this one boy, he was supposed to be Angel Gabriel, and he didn't want to be Angel Gabriel. And then Shepherd 1 is someone called Noel. Shepherd 2 is Nathaniel. Shepherd 3 is Jason, and King Herod is Gideon. And then here I have my contacts. Unfortunately, guys, I cannot show you my contacts because they're phone numbers, and I don't want you guys, not that I'm trying to be rude, but like my friends. So I got Aaron, Amanda, my auntie called Auntie Fabiola, auntie called Rebecca, my cousin Belinda, my friend Benedicta, friend Blessing, my friend's mom, my best friend's mom, my big brother, my big sister, my friend's mom, one of my friends Brianna, my friend Desiree, Elena, Elvis, Francesca, godmother Christina. I was named after her. My king, who's my dad. He has 2 phones, so I got his other phone. And then my mom and my other mom, no, my other mom, my mom's other phone. And then my school, my best friend, she's not my sister, but she's like my sister, like we always hang out, Portia. And then my brother Thomas, my uncle Junior, and then my other uncle Michael. And then today, and here I got a sticker that says remember. So I have trip to view, watch movie, pick Elvis from the airport, watch Frozen 2, dad's birthday shopping, mom's birthday shopping, what film Descendants for. Guys, I'm making a movie, so excited. So, and then Superstar, hymn practice, and that's all I have so far. Oh, I forgot. Oh yeah, I just showed these. And then thoughts. I haven't really wrote anything in thoughts. It's like this paper. And then in here there's like a zippy thing. Let me show you guys. It's like this. You can open it. Once I put my ruler in here, but I don't like putting like pencils and all that in it, because guys, when you put it in and it closes it up, I feel like this, like it's kind of, it doesn't close, and I don't want that to happen. So I never put like bulging things in there, if that makes sense. Bulging. So this is my planner, I guess. So guys, if you guys want to know, I might put the link in the description to where I got it from. I don't know if you guys will get it in your Debenhams, because where I got it was from the White Rose Debenhams, and it's actually from London, but they shipped it over here. So bye.